skid steer. Say hi. Where's the skid steer? Grant?
Grant.
Where's the skid steer? Yep. Where is the fire engine?
Where's the fire engine, Grant?
Where is the giant excavator? Where's the fire chief's truck? Where is the dump truck? Thanks for
Charlie.
that commentary, Charlie. Where's the dump truck? Where's the snowplow? Where's the tractor? Very good. Where's the bulldozer? Where's the airport fire truck? Where is the big rig? Where's the concrete mixer? Very good. You got them all.
Yay, Grant, you got them all. Let's see, Grant. Grant, can you say hi? Hi, Dade.
Hey, Mom.